am Naveen, instructor of SJVT. Now we are doing the shear strength of green sand. See when we pour the molten metal into the mold cavity, the shear force will appear. For that time we want to find out the shear strength test. Here we have written the tabular column, part A, part B. For part A, the constant clay and varying moisture percentage we want to find out. For 4% of the clay, 6% of the moisture, what the shear strength will comes for the green sand we want to find out. Here the part B is the constant moisture and varying clay. Here the constant moisture, the moisture is constantly we have taken, the clay is varies 4, 6. Here standardly we want to take the sand weight, clay weight and moisture. Why means we want to prepare the specimen for diameter is the 50.8, height is the 50.8. When we are testing the shear strength, it is the standard height for American Foundry Men's Society. As per this, we want to prepare the specimen now. When we are preparing the specimen, the sand is the 90%, the sand weight is the 139.5 grams, the clay is the 4%, grams is 6.2, the moisture is 6%, it comes for 9.3 ml, we can take it for grams itself also. Why we are taking standardly means when we want to prepare the specimen for height 50.8, standardly the total weight wants to come for 155 grams wants to come. Now operators required for, it is the universal testing machine, it is the digital machine, weighing machine, mixing jar, it is the specimen tube, plate, ramming machine. This plate we want to place it for exactly like this, the tube want to place it like this we want to place it here. Now we are preparing the specimen, we want to take the sand weight for 139.5, we are taking the silica sand. Weight is the 139.5. Now we have taken the sand weight is 139.5. Next is the clay. The clay is the 4%, means it will comes for 6.2 grams. Now we want to take the clay weight for 6.2 grams. Now we have taken the clay weight also. Now properly minimum 3 minutes we want to mix the sand and clay. Properly we want to mix up this. Once the clay is properly mixed means we want to mix the moisture. Moisture is the 6%. We want to take it for 9.3 ml. We can convert for grams also for moisture. Take the moisture for 9.3 grams. Now moisture is taken for 9.3. Now properly mix the sand, clay, moisture. Minimum 2 minutes properly we want to mix this. Now it is properly mixed. Once the sand is mixed properly means we want to do the ramming. Now use the specimen tube. See here, take the specimen tube, the plate itself properly placed like this. Now put the sand into the specimen tube itself, use the paper. Put the sand into the specimen. Now when you are lifting, the bottom itself properly lift it, the plate itself placed like this. Now we want to do the ramming. First release the rammer lock. Once the rammer lock is released means clockwise we want to rotate for 3 times. When we are rotating for exactly 3 times, we have taken the sand, weight, clay, moisture standardly means the exact height will matches for in middle line. It is the exact specimen height. Just observe how to do the ramp. Clockwise we want to rotate it. 1, 2, 3. Now it is exactly matched for middle line. Now ramming is completed. Now again lock this one. Now remove the specimen tube, remove the plate, take the rod, reverse the specimen tube, remove the specimen now. When you are removing the specimen, hold the tube like this, just little bit give the compression. Now specimen is prepared. As per standard height, the specimen height is the 50.8, diameter also 50.8, the diameter is 50.8, height also 50.8. Now we are doing the shear strength. For shear strength, the shackle will comes for stepped shackle. Just observe here, it is the digital universal testing machine. Just observe here how to fix the shackle. The top one like this we want to fix, the bottom one we want to place it like this. Now carefully lift the sand, properly place it. Once the sand is placed means here mode will come. Change the mode for shear strength. Here they are given for compression, shear, tensile. Now we are doing for shear mode, compression now shear. Now make 0. Once the 0 came means just mode start, 0 escape. We want to make for start. Now load is applied. Just observe your the shear strength will appears. Now force is applied. Now shear strength is for 0.32. Again make for escape. Shear strength is 0.32 kg per centimeter square. The sand, the clay is the 4%, the moisture is the 6%. As per this, the shear strength is 0.32 kg per centimeter square. The next one is the here moisture will increases. Just the moisture percentage is increased for 1%. The procedure will be same. Now as per the 7% of the moisture, the shear strength is the 0.30 kg centimeter per square. Next is the constant moisture and varying clay percentage. The clay is taken for 4 and 5. As per the 6%, the shear strength is the 0.50 kg per centimeter square. Observe here, it is the shackles for used for the shear strength test. It is the applied force, it is the reaction force.